Scarbrough going to the net as the shot goes high. Belak keeping that in, throws that towards the net, and that was knocked away. Abramson was cruising through the slot looking for that puck. Abramson with a steal, throws that on the net, and Bernard was ready for that one. Abramson with another steal. Abramson in the slot, and they score! Scarbrough! Oh, what a heads-up play that was.
Control the Cyclones, move it up in the upper perimeter. Shot to the net, tipped in on Levens. He sticks it to the corner. Monarchs try to clear it. It doesn't come out. And there's your rebound and a shot and a goal.
That's to Moran, who plays that in deep. Singer gets there first, plays it around. Koskowski has it. Koskowski, a little spin pass to Moran. Moran plays that in deep. He finds Scarbrough, rather. Now pass in front, open net, and they score!
Rolls on down the length of the ice, gets stick free in the corners. It's poked off. Rolls back down, back out to the blue line with now just 5 seconds left. Back off, trickles into the back of the net with 2 points.
Gallagher works it into the corner for Woodford. Patrickson comes to help, as the Cyclones are back to even strength. Shot is blocked by Scarbrough.
Comes back to the point. Helene playing that in deep. Skating 5-on-5 right now, and it's a steal. That was a nice play. Now shot, glove to sit in front of the net. They jam at it, they score! It was a nice steal by Scarbrough. Longer goes in, because they're ahead of Scarbrough. Now Scarbrough with a steal into the slot, a shot, and they score.
Cyclones back a loose puck. Craig has his shot blocked by Adcock. Centering pass, and Mitchell goes top shelf. Lee fakes off Lloyd Kennedy, pulls it out of traffic, and is a play for his defenseman. Hartman walks it down into the corner. Centering pass in front, cut off on that wheels. He bounces back out for Scarbrough, and he tucks it home.
Yet the Cyclones offense have the Kings pretty quiet thus far. No major chances. Scarbrough did have a breakaway chance, and then gets another chance there. Rifles it off the corner plexi. Mitchell comes in, and he rips one high and wide. And spoke too soon. Cyclones score there. You can only keep this team that is filled with talent. Lines 1 through 4, and deep pairings 1 through 3. Quiet for so long. There's Scarbrough.